So here is the finished pegboard. I will give you a little show around, show you what's exactly in it. But I just wanted to first show you what I purchased so that if you want to make this yourself, then you can. So I've got all the boxes here. So these little pots here are these two. Then we have these hooks, which are here. And I've got, I think it's like a 5-pack, so I've got them dotted around. Then this is the shelf, and that's the name of it, and that's that there. Then we have another pot, which is the second one. And then the last thing, I think, no, not the last thing, is these. So again, they're little pots which hook on. And then we have these. So I've got 2 of these, and these are the rails, and this is the one that it is. They aren't like differentiated by name. I think it's called the Eva Lilja, but they're not very like differentiated by name. They're all called, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but that Skadis, whatever that is. But they're all in that same range, so you should be able to find them. If you type in pegboard on IKEA, then it will come up. But this is the current look of it. So in here I've got some butterflies that I've cut, and then I've got the butterfly cutter in there. Then I have some post-it notes. This is like, I don't know what they're called, but they're post-it notes, but they're kind of like page holder ones. So they're minis, and then these just slide in there like that. They're really handy. Here has my little patches, which I need to put on a jacket, and then it's got all my stickers and things that I've collected. No, I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed. There we go. Just slots back in there. We've got electricals in here, so I've got camera batteries, memory sticks. This just has business cards. Then this is a little card that I got from someone when I ordered, I think it was like a cake topper or something. So I kept that because I thought it was cute. And then I've got some thank you stickers underneath. These are some stickers I got when I was in America. They give them out for free, like over there. Whenever you go into different stores, they're always giving stickers out for free. So I've just got some matcha ones there. Then in here I've got a pen pot, and then we've got scissors, glues, Tipp-Ex, etc. And then this is my product gun. So this is how you put labels on things. So I'm using this to put labels on my clothes. I used to use one when I worked at River Island years and years ago as like a weekend job. And then I found one on Amazon because I thought it was really handy to add tags onto my merch so that if people want to return it, it has to have a tag on. Then I've hung up my wipes because then I can just get into them easy while they're hooked on one of the little hooks there. And that gun is also hooked on there. Then in here, I haven't put much in here yet. I've just got staples. That's going to have things like paper clips in and pins as well. I've got a loose sticker here. Then I've got a little to-do list and my stamps. These are just my inks. Then here I've hooked some shredded paper on. I've hooked my mask because I'm always rushing to get a mask if someone comes to the door, like for deliveries and stuff. So I thought I'll put it there so that I know it's there. Then we have some bubble wrap. These are like little wallet ones rather than like a roll, so I've just hooked them on there. Then so far I've just got a few ribbons on this first rail, and then here I've got stickers, and I love this because it means that you can just pull it on and off like so, and the same with the duct tape. I can just pull some off and then just cut it, so it's really, really easy. So yeah, that is everything on my pegboard. Just a little quick video. I just wanted to show you me putting this up, well, my dad putting it up. It's actually really, really easy, or like he said it was like simple to do. I didn't do it myself, but it just needs these two little wall plugs at the top, and he just screwdrivered into the wall. It's only plasterboard, but he just screwdrivered into it and it made a little hole, and then the wall plug goes straight in there, and apparently they're really easy to get out. It's not like he had to get a big electric drill or anything to make a hole in the wall, so it didn't make a lot of mess. It was really quick to put up. And then down here, these aren't actually screwed into the wall. They're, as you can see, it moves. They are kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see that there's a little, it's like a stand. So there's a little notch on the other side of the screw which keeps it away from the wall, basically, is the simplest way to explain it. Like so. So it just holds it away from the wall so that it matches at the top and the bottom. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It looks really good. The desk needs a little bit of organising. All this is going to be rubbish. But I've organised this section, which you probably would have seen. So I've got all of my envelopes for prints, and then I've got my new thank you cards, which I absolutely love. I designed these on, where did I design them? On Canva, but I used my merch photos, which I designed myself. So they just go in there. Envelopes, little sticker packs. I've got some Polaroids there, some stickers, packing bags, like mailing bags, tissue paper. And then I've got some prints already done here. And then these are merch designs, which I printed out in paper when I was mocking up the designs to like see which way I wanted them. But yeah, and then a little pen pot. So, and then my sewing machine's down the end there, but I think that's going to be going under the desk. And then the tripod will be gone as well. And this is all of my transfer paper. I need to find a better way of storing that. I think I'm going to get one of the little like pigeonhole things, you know, the like filing things which will lean up against the wall. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, it's kind of like a folder holder which just stands on the desk, so I think I'm going to put them in there. But yeah, this is all going in the bin, but this is what it looks like. And I might get another one. I thought I'll give enough room so that I can put another one there, but for the moment my canvas is going to go back up there, and then if I don't actually need any more space, then the canvas can stay up there. And if I do decide I need more space, then I can take the canvas off and put another one and it will fit next to it. So yeah, this is the finished pegboard. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and then there'll be more baking business related videos later in the week. I just thought that I would show you my office just because this is how I organise it. This is for packing orders, so it's meant to make my life a bit easier in terms of like packaging, and I can expand it a bit and have various other things on here as well. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Bye guys.